What if I told you that you can start your own YouTube channel by just using AI? As you can see, I started this channel on 5th April 2026, and this video has got 1,355 views for the last 48 hours. And it has gained 7 subscribers and 1.4Ks for the last 48 hours. And the title is 3 Prayers God Answers Fast. So today's video is very special because I'm going to teach you how to create this type of videos. Now the first one is that you need to download ChatGPT, and you can find ChatGPT on Google Play Store, and then you can give ChatGPT a prompt like this. Can you write for me a 60-second YouTube video script for talking actors UGC that I can give to this AI platform called NEXTIFY.ai. Make it as interesting as possible. Then ChatGPT will give you a script. It will structure it in seconds, as you can see. Now the next thing that you need to do is that you need to copy this prompt, then go to this AI called NEXTIFY.ai. Now you can use NEXTIFY.ai. The link is in the description, and when you copy the link, when you use the link in the description, you can create up to 5 free UGC styles, UGC talking actors. And as you can see, I have 300 credits in my account, but you can use the link in the description to get yours 50 for free, which is able to create 4 or 5 video ads or even talking actors. So what we are going to do is that we are going to paste our prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. As you can see, this is our prompt. Then just try to edit something so that it can suit or so that it can flow naturally. So I'm editing it, as you can see. Now after finishing editing my prompts from ChatGPT, I'm going to add actors. Now to add actors, you click there on actors, as you can see, and we have different categories of actors. We have Yuna. You can choose any actor of your preference. We have Garrick, CU, Silas, Meredith. We have also Myron, Elian, and we have also Terence. Now for our sake, we are going to choose Terence. So we are going to click on Terence and hear his voice. Then you close this tab. Now to make sure that Terence speaks, you need to click on the play arrow on the Terence, as you can see there, so that this AI can notice the audio of Terence. It takes some time, just to wait, be patient, so that it can update, so that this AI can update the audio for Terence. As you can see, the audio is ready. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to click on, now to execute, we just need 20 credits. Now click generate. Now the task generated successfully. So we are going to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, I've made all 44 ads on this NEXTIFY.ai and over 10 ads, video ads on this NEXTIFY.ai. So make sure to use the link in the description to get 50 credits for free. Now our UGC talking actor is ready, as you can see. So we are going to click on the 3 dots to download our UGC talking actors. So our video is downloaded on our device. As you can see, we have our file. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we shall be uploading this file on YouTube. Let's have a look at it.
3 prayers God always answers fast. Hey, if you feel like your prayers are taking too long, listen. These 3 prayers, God answers them faster than you think. Number 1, the prayer for guidance.
Now we are going to upload this one on our brand new channel. Remember, I created this channel yesterday. It has got 0 views, 0 watch hours, and 0 views on our 48 hours. 0 subscribers. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to click on create, then hit upload videos. Then we are going to choose our file that we downloaded from NEXTIFY.ai. This is our file, 3 prayers. So we are going to put there our title here and our description for this video. Now for description, we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us a YouTube video description on this title. Then ChatGPT will give us our beautiful video description. So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy our video description, then paste it on our YouTube channel. Now, since I opened the next day this YouTube channel, it was amazing. I got 9 subscribers and 1.4k views on that channel. So if you want to create UGC talking actors, you can use the link in the description and then start creating yours for free. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that we cannot miss our future uploads. And make sure to comment something if you have any question, if you are unable to create these UGC styles. Just comment. You can reach me via my WhatsApp number in the description, and I can teach you how to create ad videos, UGC talking styles, and many more other things. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.